Hi, hello and namaskaram. Welcome to another video of Fine Dining Indian. So here in today's video, myself Bobby will be showing how to make a tangidi kebab. The tangidi kebab we ate lots when I traveled to Punjab. Amazing dish, it's very juicy. It is, you can literally hold the bone and then bite it off. I love it. It's proper Punjabi. And then this one I just took my own turn how you can make it home, simple but bit of crunchiness from the outside. So I put some rice flour to it, so give crunchiness. It's pan fried. It's an amazing dish. I love it. So I just enhance this with some avocado salad with some chutney, and then there is a brown garlic mayo made. That was amazing. You just roast the garlic, make it brown, and then mix it with the mayo. The mayonnaise, always any food with fat, it's flavorful, but you need to make sure you limit your intake, and that's why I thought, okay, added some good value food to it with avocado. It's an amazing dish, amazing combo. So you can try it home for your parties, or if you want to surprise your family or the guest, you can try this recipe. So cook along with me and give your feedback. So for the tangidi kebab or the chicken drumstick, you can do the first marinade with ginger garlic, lemon juice if you have, otherwise touch of vinegar, turmeric. I'm just keeping it yellow, so turmeric, and then salt, mustard oil, some seasoning powder. The seasoning powder contains bay leaf, garlic powder, cloves, cumin, some chopped or sliced green chilli. So we put some rice flour, touch of yogurt, let's say 1 teaspoon, less than a gram of turmeric, a pinch of salt more, chaat masala, mix it. Just put a bit of ghee, let's say 1 teaspoonful. So now put the tangdi, so now open and then turn the sides. Nice crust is forming. Cover and cook it on a slow heat. So once it's cooked, open the lid. Now I'm going to finish it off. Just throw in some chopped garlic, some chopped onion, green chilli, saute it. So the chicken is ready. Now we can plate it off. You can do the same in tandoor as well. So you don't need plating up the tangdi. I'm placing some avocado salad, which we made before. And now put 1 tangidi kebab. This is baby chicken, and that's why it's smaller. Brown garlic, labneh yogurt kind of stuff we made before. Just place it there. Okay. And there I'm going to put some coriander oil. And for finishing, I'm putting some pickled onions. For pickled onions and the pickle ginger and everything, you can see our other video. It's in the YouTube we made before, and we're using the same pickle water, and you can keep making and that can stay in the fridge for months. So that's a pickled ginger I'm placing. Alright, that's good enough. And then a coriander leaf, place where it can be seen. Okay, so thank you for cooking along with me the amazing tangidi kebab and the avocado salad. So hope you enjoyed it. Try, taste it, give it to your friends to try it. Give me your feedback. You can write to me. You know, one of your lucky followers, subscribers will get a free ebook from me. I promise that. So keep subscribing to us. Click the bell icon. Share these videos. You know, give your comments down below, and then I'll be reading. I'll be personally replying back to you. Thank you.